Hi, I'm Vivek from Flightint. Flightint is a platform that connects brands and influencers. So, what we are trying to do is help the influencers get sponsorship and at the same time help the brands promote their product through influencers. Currently, the market is highly unorganized, and despite being over $20 billion market, there is a lot of challenges that brands and influencers are facing, and that's exactly what we are resolving. So, some of the problems that influencers face is unorganized methods to avail sponsorship. Influencers have to wait for quite long time in order to get sponsorship. Micro influencers find it really hard to stand among the crowd. Several influencers tend to miss brands messages because of spam in their inbox. And at times unrelatable content may lead to disengagement of followers. So we have the platform through which we are trying to curb this problem where creators can find brands and monetize their content. How we are solving it is we have a direct method to monetize the content. Creators get passive income. They can connect with the brands directly. They see only real messages, no spam in their inbox. And above all, we have added social score by virtue of which creators can know how much they are worth. Brands also face similar problem at the same time. For instance, it's difficult for them to engage to evaluate the engagement rate of influencers. Most of the times they communicate through the agencies, so agencies overcharge the brands. There's lack of transparency while choosing influencers through agencies. It's difficult to search creators for specific niche. Brands find it difficult to fix the payment rate for the creators, and there's no platform where they can search creators who are present on all social media. So our platform curbs all those challenges too. So we have a platform where brands can post their deals and connect with the influencers directly without any mediation. So how we are doing it is we are helping the brands to see the engagement rate of influencers. They can see the payment rate based on the engagement. We have influencer search engine by virtue of which they can search the most felicitous influencer for promotion of their product. They can find the influencer who are present on various social media, and they can also use the social score to evaluate the quality of the creators. So we have three main USPs. First is the social score, which helps to validate the quality of influencer. Second is influencer search engine, which brands can use to find the influencer. And third is micro influencers can also monetize their content. Market validation. So there are a lot of good stats here, but the important one is that for every campaign that a brand's post, they earn nearly $6.5 per dollar spent. So it's an ROI of nearly 6.5 times. Market size. So total addressable market size is 3.8 billion plus users on social media, and currently the size of influencer marketing is 20 billion USD, which is obviously going to grow over the years. And our target users are the 850 million users who are present on Instagram and Twitter, who are having followers more than 10k plus, and the same time also the brands who have budget of 10k to 50k, and there are 24% brands who have monthly budget of 10k to 50k dollars, and around 32% brands around $10,000. That's the market size we have. Product. So the product is pretty simple and straightforward for the users from both brands and influencers point of view. So the influencers can see the screen here, they can create their profile, and based on the quality of the social score we rank them. In the sponsorship section, influencers can simply go and apply for the campaign, and brands can post their campaign. Business model. So we have three kinds of business model here. So first is a subscription feature. Influencers need to subscribe in order to apply for a campaign. Brands need to subscribe in order to access the advanced feature. For every order that has been gone through brand and influencer, we take 5% cut. And third is the in-app ads, so promoted post and promoted campaigns. So influencers can promote their profile, at the same time brands can also promote their post. Competition. So we have few more competitors here. For example, DYT. So they have a validated social score, but they are non-transparent. They are not allowing the brands to see which influencer are promoting their product. Influencer.in, Grinow is there, Hipsy and Bribe. Important difference between them and us is that we are allowing the brands to see the influencers who will promote their product, and at the same time we ensure that they get to know the quality of the influencer through the social score. Competitive advantage. So we help the brands to evaluate the influencer with a social score. There is pricing transparency. Brands can see how much they have to pay to the influencer. There's influencer search engine. Brands can find the most felicitous influencer. And finally, they can see the influencers who are also present on multiple social media. So these are the 4 competitive advantages we have. Team. So currently we have 6 people in our team. I am working as the project coordinator and also as the backend developer. I have worked at the Amity Innovation Incubator for various startups. Sandeep is the Android developer. He is very proficient in both Java and Kotlin. Created a dating app which has got more than 10k users, and also a crypto mining Bitcoin app around 6k users. Mridul is working as the UI UX designer. He has done magnificent job so far, and he specializes in wireframing prototyping. He also designed the dating app where we have got more than 10k plus users, and he also does the graphic and logo designing. Animesh is working as the marketing. He runs Google and Facebook ads and other online ads for us. He specializes in PPC, SEO, and social media marketing. He has run ad campaigns worth $5 million, and he has been doing this thing since 2014. So he's got ample experience and has also shown a good ROI for us. Praveen is working as the iOS developer. He has been a fresher in this, both Praveen and Eric. He has a very good knowledge of Swift UI, and Objective-C. Worked with REST APIs and other APIs in Swift and Objective-C both. Eric is working as the sales team. He has graduated from University of Hertfordshire. He's been working since the last 3 months for us in the sales team. He has very good time management skill, and he does a very good job so far. The financial projection and the progress. So in terms of progress, we have acquired quite a lot of users. So currently we have over 30,000 users, of which 6,000 we have got active users. In terms of revenue, we have grown quite a lot. So we started generating revenue since Feb. In Feb, we generated around 12,466 rupees. It grown to 17,000 rupees in March, and this month in April we have gone to 70,695 rupees. Apart from that, brands. So every month we are getting good response from the brands, and more brands are posting campaigns. So in March we got around 17 brands posted their campaign. In April we got 22 more brands to post campaigns. And also in terms of subscribed users, so in March we got 47 subscribed users, and in April so far we have got 53 subscribed users. Funds users. So majority of fund will be used in the marketing and brand building purpose. That accommodates to 47.5%. Then 38.6 will go to the salary and the hiring and the new people to increase their team size, and the remaining will go in the server cost and equipments. And that's it from my side.